Hi, today we're going to learn how to log into your Read 180 application. The first thing that you're going to need to do is to open up Google Chrome. You're looking for the icon that looks like this in order to get to the internet. You may have it in different places on your computer. For me, it's down at the bottom. For you, it could be in a different area. But when you open that up, you will get the Google page or something similar. You are going to be focused on the address bar, which is right at the top, as you can see from this arrow. In that spot, you need to type this web address, launch.guhsdaz.org. That will bring you to this launch page. This is a great page for you because it has links to the most commonly used things that you'll need to access through Glendale Union. There's a lot of different things on here, but today we're going to focus on Read 180. So if you look right down here, I have it circled and you will see it says Read 180 Universal. At this point, you can see it's in the second line. Sometimes things do move, so just kind of look for it, but it will always say Read 180 Universal. Click on that link and it will bring you to this login page. Your username is going to be your student ID number, and it is your number only. You do not need to put anything with the @student or anything to that extent. You are just going to use your ID number. Your password is the exact same thing. It is the same ID number. So you'll put those two in order to get logged on. Once you log in, you will get this page. You will see this Read 180 square. This block right here will have your name. Okay, make sure that it says your name. You'll also see your name up in this corner right here. I'm using a different student's account, so I have those blocked off for you right now. To get into Read 180, you're just going to click this square right here, and it will bring you to your main page. Again, your name will be in this top corner. This right here, if your teacher is talking about using the student program, you would click here and that will bring you into the program. You will get more information on that. This down here where it says independent reading is your bookshelf. You can access books, look at books, do research on what kind of books you would like to read from that area. Also, right here where it says assessments, that's where you'll link different tests. You'll be doing your reading inventory, phonics inventory, and workshop assessments from there. So that is where you can click everything. If you have any questions, definitely ask your teacher. Thanks.